Hi guys, this is Random Blob, and this is my third episode of Happy Wheels. And apparently, I am victorious in Starving Hobo. Well, anyway, because this was just a level I was playing before I decided to make this video. See, and now I'm gonna be doing levels like DC Metro Station. Ooh, Irresponsible Dad. This will be good. Everybody loves a little Irresponsible Dad. Okay, let's hope this turn. Oh, okay. Everybody's alive, and I live through drink. Oh no, I pressed the button. Get back here. It's not going that fast. Drink orange juice. Billy, you're famous. You're in a commercial. Yay, Daddy, I'm famous. Don't feel famous for long. Why not, Daddy? Because you're probably not gonna live. Oh, well that's gonna be bad. It is. It's very bad. I'm just gonna like keep following. Ow. Oh no. Now I'm gonna back up. What happened? It back up. Just gonna keep backing up. Back up. Now I'm gonna just go forward. Go forward. Go forward. Go forward. Go forward. Hey, it's not here. Oh, there it is. Oh, yeah, there we go. I'm alive. All alive and well. Fatty. That's what happens when you want McDonald's. It's what you get. Hey, Billy, you're still famous and not dead. Yay, that's great! Yeah, now let's go play another level with you, and you'll probably die. Ha ha, ha 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 ha. Daddy, you're a jerk. I know. Welcome, your goal is to survive. Okay, this should be easy. Epic jump. Epic fail. Epic lag. Epic rage quit. Ah! Ah! Okay, let's do. Pyramid of the Gods. Irresponsible Dad. Cobra. Aha, you missed. I'll kill you. Well, apparently I can't kill it. It's just stupid. So stupid. Oh no, I didn't mean to. I unleashed the gods. No, Billy, I must get you back on. And have soup. Oh, okay, never mind. I'll leave you here to die. Daddy, no! Yes, Daddy must go. He'll go win this war. This isn't a war, this is madness. No, this is Sparta, Billy. Yeah, staff. Oh, I didn't. Oh, God! You're a jerk. You know that. You're just as jerky as me killing my son. Oh, God. No! No! Oh, man. I'm not dead, am I? No, I'm not dead. Oh, man. Let's try this again. Stupid snake. Kill you. Knock you down. Unleash the gods. Fall down randomly without even knowing. Start to bleed a little because my left arm fell off. Now fall on my face. Back up. And kill Billy. Pick up the staff. Go back up. Squash Billy with my tires. Place down the staff. Have the door be open. And kill. Oh no. Okay. You get what you're supposed to do with this level. I'm gonna do an easy one. Let's do... Ooh. Happy Green Hills. Character Eddie. Well, I know what character I'm gonna be. So, Billy, how's your day? It's great, Daddy. Nobody asked for your opinion. You just did. No, Wait, I'm doing voices wrong. No, I didn't. I was just asking you a question. Well, Daddy. No buts. I'm just gonna go up these green happy hills into this dark, scary place. Daddy, I like scary places. I didn't ask for your opinion, did I? No, not really. Well, then shut up. I'm just gonna ride away on these green hills. Probably not gonna live since we're falling now. As I wait for my next platform to come up and pick me up. Just gonna ride. Now, move it. I'm on my platform I need to be on. Raise me up. No, not like that. Jeez. Ow. Raise me up. Raise me up. Raise me up. There. Back into the green hills, aren't you glad, Billy? I like this. I got the flu or something. I think you're supposed to follow, right? Yeah. Oh, it lagged. That means that. Oh man. Ooh. I knew Billy was gonna live through orange juice. Well, that was sad. Nobody really cared about him though. Even though he was famous. Even though nobody ever cared who was holding the orange juice. We'll always miss him. Daddy, what are you crying about me? Of course not, Billy. Don't be ridiculous. I hate you. Let's do this. Go fly and die. Hope you die in a hole. Beat you up. Eat it. Kick you in the face. Smell my farts. Okay. We're good. Anyway. This was my episode. No, of course it wasn't my episode. Jeez, don't be ridiculous, Colin. You're ridiculous. I am not ridiculous. Oh, okay. So anyway, that's been my episode. And don't forget to like and subscribe and do all of that. And don't forget to check your car every now and then. Just in case you find out that your car's been stolen. And now you need to go get it. Because here's what's probably going to happen if you don't. This is a short film. Oh man. Here's what happens if you don't. That's just something minor that can happen. Here's something big that could happen. Here's something regular that would happen. That was nothing there. Time to go find that car thief. Oh no, he already killed himself. Ow! Of course you'd eventually win, but still, now you're covered in tree crap. And you're most likely gonna get cut by the propeller afterward. Like this. See? That wasn't that bad, actually. I guess you won't get cut by a propeller. But it might be like this. This is the longest short film ever. It might be like this. See. No! Oh, God! Yep, that's what happens. So, like I said, leave a like and subscribe. And check your card daily to make sure this doesn't happen. And see you later.